Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Zendesk account. All right. First up, if you just want to delete a user or a user account under your Zendesk workspace, just go ahead and go to the cogwheel right here and go to Admin Center. Just click on it and go ahead and head over to People. Now click on Team Members. Right here, as you can see, we have me, the account owner, and the second one is my second account. I'm just going to go ahead over the three dots right here and click on Manage and Support. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, I'm going to go ahead over to this drop down, New Ticket. All right, I'm just going to click on it and hit on Delete. There'll be a pop-up where you want to delete this agent. Just hit on OK. Once done, you can go ahead and refresh this page. As you can see here, it's gone. And when we check on accounts right here and under contacts, is gone as well. All right. If you want to delete your own account, well, you'll have to contact support for that. And the way to do so is just go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. Just click on it. And then here, go ahead over to Help. Now click on Get Help. The chat bot will pop up. Just wait for it. Now just go ahead and type in, need an agent. Hit on Enter. It will ask you if you're a customer. Just go ahead and click on I am a current customer. Now from here, you could just go ahead and type in that you wanted to delete your account. All right. And after that, an agent will get back to you, sharing you the steps on how to delete your account. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.